Hey gang, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I am with something very special today. World premiere of these 1978 Chevy trucks. These are from BandB Farmtoys and Auto World, which, if you're not familiar with Auto World, their 1/64 scale stuff is excellent. I mean, as they show on the box, true 1/64 scale, lots of detail. We're going to get into that in a minute. First and foremost, I want to tell you about our friends at BandB Farmtoys. This is BandBFarmtoys.com. This is an early package. This actually should be BandBFarmtoys.net is their website. Our good friends up there in St. Joseph, Barry and Brian Morey, they are top-notch people. Check out their website. They've got all the cool stuff that you want in your farm toy world. And if you want some of these, we'll have some of these too on fortheloveoftractors.com as well. So, well, I guess I get to open up these guys. So, I had to ask when they showed up in the mail to make sure I could, and they said I could. The paint on these is incredible. I'm just, okay, well, we gotta get these opened up, fellas. We gotta see what's in this. So, super easy to open packaging, which we always appreciate. All right, check this guy out. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna set him down there, and then I'm gonna move this here so we can get a nice look at this thing. Wow. Look at the paint on that thing. Incredible. All right. Did a little resituating there. Check this thing out. The paint is incredible. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Like, my lights aren't doing it justice here. That's for sure. I'm going to see if I can even flip on another light, see if we can get some more light on the subject. That's better, isn't it? Holy cow. Like, I just love how deep it is. It almost looks like it has a little flake to it. This thing is like a show truck, practically. This could be a SEMA truck. That's just so cool. Anyway, so, Auto World. We know it does some stuff. I think this door opens. Maybe not. Maybe the door doesn't open. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Does it? Let's find out. Okay, I don't think the door opens. Sorry. This does fold down. I know that for a fact. How cool is that? How cool is that? Most custom 1/64 scale trucks don't have features like that. Okay, hang on a second. I'm going to pop something else open here. Aha, there we go. Got a beautiful Chevy engine in there. That's nicely detailed. You can see your muffler. You can see a lot of your coolant lines and things of that nature. There's some detail. Sorry, there's some detail on the fenders. Man, that is so cool, guys. That is so cool. What a great looking truck this is. Thought I'd pop it around to this side real quick. So, grill looks excellent. The grill and headlights both look great. Bumper is nice. Lots of nice painting, detail painting there. Things of that nature. I mean, this stripe down the side, or the panel down the side, I mean, we all know that's sort of classic Chevy. That's so cool. The undercarriage is decent. Like, it's I'll say slightly better than like a Hot Wheels green light, but, you know, not super detailed. Now, obviously, we've got some decent ride height here, and I'm going to pop open this green one as well, just so we can see this out in the sun, out here in the daylight, because the paint on these things, oh my lord, I'm just kind of blown away, to be honest with you, by how nice those paint jobs are. I mean, comparing it to, and like, I don't want to like run down a green light truck, because these green light trucks are excellent too, but this one's a little dusty. But, you know, if I stick the green light Ram back there, the red looks okay, right? Like, it's nice, but it's not this super deep shiny red. It's just an okay red. I mean, nothing wrong with it, but man, like I said, these are show quality paints on these two trucks. Just absolutely incredible. Wow. Blown away by these, actually. I knew they were going to be cool, because Auto World does cool stuff. I didn't expect them to be this cool. You know how many model farms are going to have these trucks on them by the end of this year? Oh my gosh, it's going to be incredible. And then think of the customization potential. Maybe put some mud tires or something like that on their different wheels. I mean, wow. The potential to weather these up and make them kind of look old and rusty. I mean, you almost hate to do that to the paint job, but I get it. I mean, that's if you're gonna maybe put them on your model farm, you may do that. These are, oh my gosh, you're going to see these all over the place. Now, the BandB edition is only going to have 2,520 of these made. So, you know, we'll see. That's going to be fairly collectible. That's a decent... I'm not sure what I'm trying to say here. That's a fairly limited availability, I guess, as far as like 1/64 scale cars and trucks go. So that's kind of interesting. I think that's, you know, these are going to be collectible for sure. And like I said, these are going to be so hot with customizers. It's just going to be incredible. So anyway, guys, there it is. Super honored to take a first look at these BandB Farm Toys by Auto World. 1978 Chevy Silverado K10. These are Fleetsides, in case you're wondering. Man, those are cool. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check it out, guys. Like I said, we can get these over at For the Love of Tractors for pre-order. You can head to bandbfarmtoys.net for pre-order, and I would suggest getting them while they're hot because these things are going to go fast, guys. All right, catch y'all later. Have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor or truck hunting.